Hello Aaron, hope you are well. So I have set up your WordPress development Notion dashboard. So the purpose of recording this video, I want to show you everything that help you. How can you use this Notion template? So first of all, you can see quick action like this is quick link, a new project, new task, new plugin, new theme. Like here you can see new project, ongoing project, and completed project. So let's see if we when we open new project, this is like new project. So here you put information, client information, project status, start date, end date, point of contact, project type, website link, Google Drive link. Here you can add put link like WordPress admin login, email, password, hosting information, and their social media account like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so over. Here you can put project detail like these one here all. Then site structure, home page, about, service, blog, additional information. Then here you can a new page put information like installation, lessons key, link, notes, purpose, and type. Then you can use this page. Then next is just 1 second. And then next is plugin, theme, and plugin. You can use this. Then is create timeline task like inbox, assign, due date, priority, type, project description. So more here you can use timeline, check out timeline, and you can check out completed task with the help of filter. Then content checklist like logo, page copy, image, video, title, and so more. Here communication log like client feedback, meeting notes, email, and change request, and so more. In this like new project. Then new task when you open new task, so just 1 second. Here you can put on these all information like assign, status, due date, subtask, and supporting files you can upload here. Then is a new plugin. So in your plugin you can put information like lessons key, link, purpose, and so more. Then is new theme. Here you can use lessons key and so more, etc. Then is navigation. Here you can see project, task, plugin, theme line, client, and database. You can check out, the video length will be long, so due to this reason I am going to short. Yeah, so here you can like this week overdue, upcoming, timeline, completed, and so more. Then next is the theme and plugin you can check out. So at the final result, check out this Notion template and let me know if you need any changes. Thank you Aaron, and I will get your positive feedback. Thank you and take care.